That's your rap. Oh,
Shit, we got greenery all day. It's that Cali bud, you know.
That on top of that.
Stay high all day. Stay fly, homie. What's good?
Feels like some weed up in here.
Alright.
Hit that, Josh.
Yeah, hold that, homie.
What you gotta say, dog?
Blazing, homie. That's about it, you know what I mean? Southern California mix, nigga. Hit it with that brick, nigga.
Before I take a
That's alright.
blaze it. What's up, J Cut?
What's up, dog?
Chilling, dog.
What's up with you, dog? You
gonna
look
play
pretty good
with
over here with your shirt off and shit.
Shit, I try to do what I do.
Do what you gotta do.
I try to do what I gotta do. You know, you feel me? You feel me? I do what I do. Wet stuff, homie. Let's play.
Let's go. Run it.
Man, I'm hungry. So it feels like an In-N-Out day. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Hey, Josh.
Pass out.
Man, pass it to me again. That be with the wind.
We getting fucked up. Nothing like a pool party. Ain't nothing like a pool party. Anybody got a
My
drink?
eyes, they still red. They still red.
Pass out.
Yeah.
Oh.
We got Pauly P. That's how we do it.
Hey,
My backyard, you know.
You just got right
We
here.
just got a pool right here, you know. In about 20 minutes, we're gonna have like 5 bitches right in here.
Right there.
And we gonna record it.
Poolside, nigga.
Let's do this, homie.
You gotta get some jumping in the pool and shit, nigga.
Let's get it. Faded style, nigga.
Hey, this is the Beer Olympics, homie, 2011.
What up?
Ain't nothing like a Cali day.
What up?
Ain't nothing like a Cali day.
Right?
Fresh coast, west coast.
Uh-huh.
Man, let's play this fucking shit.
Let's play this shit, homie.
Here, nigga.